Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn the guitar solo for Messy by Lola Young. I've had a lot of requests for this one, so if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications button, and we'll get to it. So here's the whole thing in full. Okay, so we're going to break it down lick by lick. So the first part sounds like this. So I'm on fret number 10 on the B string with finger 1. Fret number 12, same string with finger 3. Fret number 9 on the E. And then 11 on the G. Then we go over to G string fret 7, sliding from 7 to 9 with finger 1. So far you have. Then we're going to hammer on, pull off from 9 to 11 on the G. Same thing again, but we're going to add on 7 and 6 on the same string after the hammer on pull off. And then 9 on the D, 7 on the D. So that takes us up to bar number 6, where we're going to do a little ghost note slide on the D string from 9 to 11. 9 on the G. 9 on your E, probably with your middle finger here. And then 12 on the B. So that's the easy parts done. So far we should have. Okay, so this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So bar 8, we've still got the previous note ringing out on fret number 12 of the B. And then bar 8 into 9, the lick should sound like this. So we're going to pull off 12 to 9 on your E string. Then we're going to do the opposite, a hammer on the string above from 9 to 12. Okay, and I'm using my pinky to first finger for both of those. Then third finger on 11 of the G. Back to fret 9 on the B. Then we're going to do 2 9s on the G. Finishing with 11 on your D. Then we're going to stay on that 11, we're going to do a little half bend, which I always do downwards on the D string. Over to fret 7 of the same string. And then the last lick should sound like this. So it starts with the same idea. We're going to do pull off on your E string from 12 to 9. The opposite on the string above, 9 to 12 as a hammer on. 11 of your G. 9 on the B. And then just 1 9 this time on the G. So bar 11, we're going to play 11 on your D, 9 on the G, 11 on the G, and that 11 we're going to pick 4 times, and the last time is going to be a slide from 11 to 13. Then you're going to pick up the B string, fret 12, probably your middle finger here. Similar idea, you're going to pick 4 times, and the last time will be a slide from 12 to 14. And then your E string, fret 12, probably finger 1, 4 times. Then on those last 4, you want to be swapping at some point to your 3rd finger, probably on the last one. Because we're then going to start speed picking and slowly bending the string. So we want 2 lots of 6 quick picks, down, up, down, up. And on the final 6, just ever so slightly going to start bending it. And then in the final bar, we bend full and let it ring out. Cheers for watching, guys. Hope that was helpful. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again next time.